Right. So, hiking up a gigantic mountain, rainforest. I can't form sentences. Tired, ass kicked. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ass is kicked. Oh man. Oh shit. Give everybody an idea what's around here. Forest, really. It's rainforest. It's a rainforest. This is awesome. Just awesome. Out of control. Totally badass. Highly recommend it. Get your asses to Costa Rica. Asses, Costa Rica. Here, you need to come here. This is about the closest to nature as you're gonna get, from my understanding. This is awesome. All right, just taking a break. I got a lot more to go up there somewhere. Apparently there's a trail. I don't know. God. All right. Here we go.